Imagine yourself strolling through the breathtaking valley of Karimabad Chitral during the autumn and winter months. The trees stand bare, cloaked in snow. The ground beneath is adorned with a carpet of snow and fallen leaves. Perhaps you'll catch sight of a charming bird perched on a branch, relishing the succulent fruits of the Russian olive tree. This captivating creature, locally known as the Sosuruk, its name gliding off the tongue like a whispered secret, adds an enchanting allure to the scenery. Although it may belong to the passerine family, bearing resemblance to birds like the pipits. To dispense accurate information, I extend an invitation to my viewers who may have seen this bird in their locality or be familiar with the true scientific name of this magnificent bird. You kindly share it in the comment section. Let's unravel this mystery together and celebrate the marvels of nature.